Hey Bane, say hi. No?
Take me to Neverland.
Hey everyone, it's Friday, and it's Friday. A little late in the Friday, but let me show you an update of what's gonna happen. It's gonna be quick. I'm gonna do less editing today just because it's late. I need to put something out. So updates. I may have fried my Link ECU. Eesh. So what's happened is from the ECU, I'm not getting 5 volts. I'm hooking it up to negative to the sensor ground, my multimeter to the sensor ground to volt 5 pin. 5 volts is not showing, so could be my doing. I don't know what happened, but I have to send out the Link ECU to Link. There's a place in Michigan that is going to do the bench test on it and make sure that it is good to go. If it is good to go, then it's my bad on wiring. So in the meantime, I'm just going to clean everything up. Let's see. So here is one thing that I just did. This is the intake air temperature sensor. This is just for the temporary. I'm going to add a bung to it, so then it's going to fit properly, it's going to seal properly. This is just a mock-up where it should go. Let's see, I'm going to show you around, see if you can see it. But all of that wiring, all this mess, I will clean up since this ECU is going to be sent out and get repaired, or at least checked over. Let's see. Oh, and let's do an unboxing. So I'm going to keep this here, that blow-off valve. It's going to still look, I don't know. This pipe looks good where it's at. This is probably going to end up a little bit higher, and then I'm going to go into a diagonal, or it might even go a little bit lower right here. Where's my pipe? Where is it? So this is what it might look like for the time being. 90 degree. I'm gonna have to find out how to bring that up just a little bit so it's not hitting. I'm gonna have to go on a diagonal to then make that fit. And I've got a box here. Let's go ahead and open up this box. See my dog? Hey Bane, say hi. No? Let's see what's in this box. Stainless steel pipe. So I might even, I don't know, diagonal like this. I don't know, but cut. It'll probably be a short piece of cut here. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna work this. But I do have a stainless steel pipe. Maybe I can get it mandrel bent and do my own custom piping. But as far as this goes so far, I might be able to just mandrel bend it here to here. We'll find out. So that's the update so far. Probably be a couple of weeks until I get to work on it, or at least hopefully fire it up. But it's slowly. I'm a little defeated, mentally drained. I'm pretty much done working on the car. Just have to redo the wiring, make sure I did everything correctly, and clean it up just a little bit. That's the only things I could really do, is to clean things up and hope that the ECU did not fry, because that's going to be a pretty expensive fix. Hopefully just find it. Maybe it's good, maybe it's just my wiring, but definitely that volt, it's not seeing 5 volts sending out the signal to all the sensors to fire it up, or at least to read all the measurements, the voltage, whatever it is for all the sensors. So just a quick update on what's happening, and till the next video, there's not much, right? Maybe I'll hopefully I'll get some track stuff for you, and just for the meantime, some reaction videos of me drifting with customers in the car, because that's always fun. And if you stuck around this long, like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video, hopefully next Friday. So see you later. Peace.
Take me to Neverland.